ক্লিক করুন অ্যাপের বেল আইকনে আর সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন এবিপি আনন্দ। সব সময় থাকুন খবরে।
এই মুহূর্তে নির্বাচন কমিশনের তরফে সাংবাদিক বৈঠক করা হচ্ছে, সরাসরি চলে যাচ্ছি।
But if you want some specific figures, if anybody wants, we'll be happy to share with all of you. But I think
I'll request Chandbhushan to give a brief on counting at Bihar.
Good afternoon, friends. As you are aware, this time we have close to 63% increase in number of polling booths because in view of COVID-19 requirements, Commission decided to limit the number of electors at each booth to 1,000 from 1,500, and so the number of booths gone up from 65,000 to 1.06 lakh, and it means the 1.06 lakh number of EVMs to be counted. Also, you would be aware that in our broad guideline issued on 21st of August 2020, we decided to have the limit of tables in a particular hall to 7. Earlier it used to be 14 in general. However, to observe the parameters related to social distancing and requirement of presence of counting agents, etc., it was decided. But also on ground, our election machinery, they increased the number of locations. In fact, in 2015, the counting took place at 38 locations. And this time the counting is happening at 55 locations, and also in each of the ACs, either the bigger hall has been taken or there has been the counting in more than one hall. So in all cases, actually in all ACs, the counting is happening at invariably at 14 tables, and the number of rounds are ranging from lowest 19 rounds to 51 rounds in Bihar in different ACs. So the approximate average for Bihar would be close to 35 per AC number of rounds in for the final results. So this is the broad picture, and our counting machinery on ground is doing our work very diligently without any glitch, as already pointed out by our colleagues here, and we hope to finish the counting as per the procedure late tonight. Thank you.
We have some questions from media. The first question is from Ritika Chopra of Indian Express. Can the Deputy Election Commissioner please list out the differences between a conventional counting process and the Bihar counting on account of COVID-19?
I will take up this particular question. As I mentioned already, that in terms of counting, Commission prescribed to you can say that decongest the particular counting hall, and it has limited the number of tables in each of the halls. So that is one change which has happened in from earlier occasion. Also, the number of locations have gone up so that the counting process goes smoothly and at more number of locations to take care of this additional need. Otherwise, all the processes related to counting or instructions related to counting are the same which used to be earlier in terms of counting of EVMs or postal ballots.
Another question is, how many rounds of counting have finished by 1 p.m. and under normal circumstances, how many rounds of counting would have been finished by now?
I think every AC, the round depends upon the number of polling booths which it has. So it would be very difficult to answer specifically related to these issues. Also, the on an average kind of situation, it depends. When you start counting early and then when you go in the motion, then again the time variation may happen, kind of thing. So it's a very difficult to put a specific number to this kind of situation.
There's a question on postal ballots. How many postal ballots were received this time? And please provide a corresponding figure for the 2015 election.
I can share one particular input related to postal ballot, that as per law, all postal ballots received till 8 a.m. today on the day of counting are to be taken up for counting. So it means the postal ballots received at the counting center till 8 o'clock in the morning today, it needs to be taken up for counting. So the data related to that would be available at the level of concerned returning officer at present.
I can only add that for service voters, about 1.6 lakh ballots were dispatched, and the data, I think, as Mr. Chandrabhushan has said, is to be collated, but about 50,000, more than 50,000 service voters' votes have been received in the RO's offices.
So we have a question in Hindi. मतगणना क्या धीमी चल रही है और कितना समय लग सकता है फाइनल रिजल्ट आने में?
मतगणना धीमी नहीं चल रही है, मतगणना की रफ्तार वही है। जैसा कि मैंने बताया कि चूंकि ज्यादा ईवीएम की काउंटिंग होनी है तो हो सकता है थोड़ा समय उसके लिए जरूर लगेगा, क्योंकि आप ये भी जानते होंगे कि 2015 के मुकाबले हर चीज में बढ़ोतरी हुई है। आपके नंबर ऑफ जो मतदान केंद्र हैं वो बढ़ गए हैं, इसीलिए ईवीएम मशीनें जो काउंट होनी है वो बढ़ गई हैं आपकी। पोस्टल बैलेट में जो है उसमें भी नंबर पहले से इजाफा हुआ है। हालांकि इन सबको ध्यान में रखते हुए हमने अतिरिक्त जो केंद्र है वो भी बनाए हैं, पर फिर भी थोड़ा बहुत जो समय ज्यादा काउंट के कारण रहेगा वो रहेगा। इसमें कहीं पे धीमी गति से मतगणना करने की बात कहीं से नहीं आती है।